Pride Squad, what's good, man? It's Saturday. It's install day. That's what we calling it, man. So today we got some installs going on, man. I told y'all earlier in the last video that I was gonna be installing my Wickerbill spoilers. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm not even gonna drag this out. I'm headed over Keith's house right now, and we about to go on and get this install for y'all. I want y'all to see, try to get every detail, instructions, so y'all know what to do. Y'all stay tuned. I see y'all as soon as we get over Keith's house. All right, peace. Yeah. All right, y'all. I made over here to Keith's house, man. So shout out to the subscriber that told me I put my wipers on upside down, my wiper blade, so I'm gonna swap them around too. Appreciate you. Good looking out on that. Yeah, we got this Wickerbill here. About to go on and get that put on.
It was you that didn't have your car.
Yeah, I had mine.
So you was the one that had the SUV or something? Because I didn't
that view, yeah.
So when your car got hit it? Like where?
It was on this left side over here.
That's what it is.
Yes, man. They had to replace this whole quarter panel here, this whole piece here. They had to replace all of that.
Damn. Yeah. Somebody hit you on this side back in?
They tore up this whole back end here, and then the bumper too. They hit all of that.
Yeah, so I was like pretty much pushed in.
Yeah, so they had to replace this. They had to replace the bumper.
Like this part was like all the way in.
Yeah, I was hot,
man.
man.
You have to get your ladies back though. I feel you now. Now I see it, you know what I'm saying?
I was hot, man.
Yeah, been riding that SUV versus your toy.
It's a whole month, man. I ain't even, you know what I'm saying?
That shit make you feel some type of way. I already know.
Boy. All right, so what we got going on right here first? What they got to do?
So right now, just masking everything off. That way you don't damage it while you trying to line everything up. So you start putting screws in. You don't damage it with the shavings, and that way if you accidentally pick the bit up, drop it down on accident, it won't damage it.
Yeah.
I just watch the car hot.
No, that's right. It's supposed to be 89 degrees today, boy.
One of the biggest fans in the world right there, boy. That thing.
Yes, that one right there go in.
That thing moves some air now.
Yes, sir. That's right there what you need right here.
When it's there.
You need me to hold it for you?
Yeah.
All right, I got you.
Well, I have to hold it in the middle.
Hold it in the middle.
Yeah.
It's a two-man. Huh?
Yeah, it is mostly a two-man job.
Yeah.
All right, hold this side.
All right. Got you.
It ain't gonna hold perfectly well, but you get enough on there, it'll start holding.
Man, it's nice to have some fresh bumper paint. Yeah. What kind of tool is this here?
Just pretty much pops a hole.
Okay.
It's not a whole hole, but an indention to mark the spot where it needs to be
Drilled in.
drilled in.
Okay.
Where you know it's perfect.
Yeah. That's what you want, boy. I remember when I first put this spoiler on, it changed my whole. It really did change my whole.
I'm back in. He went by there. Keisha Bottom's house today.
Who did?
Some of the protesters.
For real?
My real house.
Yeah.
It wasn't too many. There was a few little things, but now I just got an alert on my phone to the city of Atlanta is they lifting the curfew tonight.
They lifted it?
Yeah, they lifting it.
Good.
Yeah, that's what it said.
It was just funny to me, like how they were how they were protesting and loot and stuff like that. But then the very next day, they was out there cleaning it up.
Yeah.
It's like they was really out there cleaning it up, man.
Breaking news: the city of Atlanta lifts 8 p.m. curfew for Saturday night. 8 p.m. was my vote on it, man. Yeah, y'all gotta be
8
real.
o'clock?
You gotta be real with yourself, man. 8 o'clock?
You can still get enough work.
Come on, man. Saturday? That ain't gonna work, man. 8 p.m. and Saturday don't even go together, man. two words we can't even get together. Nigga, they even had dinner at 8 o'clock.
That's what I'm saying, man.
8 o'clock Saturday. What it is, man, they running out of room in jail. You can't keep locking people up, man.
Pretty much, yeah.
You don't have enough jail like that, bro. Like, some of the people you lock up and let them go right back home. You don't have enough room for them, man. Oh, man, hell. I'm glad they didn't ride and loot the damn prison system, boy. That would have got ugly, real fast.
See, they was stealing horses out there. Niggas looking straight Django out there. So this part right here is actually putting in like the rivets so that you can just screw it in, basically, right?
Exactly.
Okay. Yeah.
But I use it instead of using the bit. I always use this because I can make it way tighter.
Yeah.
And it can be precise, but you just got to be careful with it. You got to be careful.
Y'all know what kind of work Keith do, so I have him tell you exactly what size bit he using and all of that. So
well, step bit is pretty much just. I mean, it's all sizes. Just
got to know how far to go.
Yeah.
Okay.
A little experience required. That's all.
Right. And
You hooked up enough subs. You hooked up enough subs and amps.
Yeah.
You got it.
Pretty much know.
Yeah. You know. It ain't coming out.
Man, we're gonna come back after we finish getting these holes drilled in here. Stand by. Yeah, I got you. Grab my wallet real quick. Y'all can't even front like y'all don't. Y'all probably don't chase an ice cream truck, but it's okay. It's hot. Let me get two of them. Ooh, is that the huge ice cream, the cookies and cream sandwich? Is that like the real big one?
No, and we're actually out of that one. I'm sorry.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Regular ice cream sandwich? The regular ice cream
Yes,
sandwich?
we have that one. Just one of those?
Let me get two.
All right.
They take cards?
Yep.
Love y'all.
Sure. I think so.
We get one of those Bluetooth as well. We can do it. Okay.
I'm a cash app, bro. Part of my cheat meal weekend. Look at this. Look at this legendariness right here. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Yeah, he got Batman.
No more baby sport. No more.
All right, for those of you who are very, very detailed in installations, we just got finished putting the rib nuts in, right?
Yep.
All right, now we're just pulling the tape off. Make sure you pull the tape off. Don't try to put your Wickerbill on with the tape still on the spoiler. It's not gonna look good.
No, it's not. Not at all.
Will not look good at all. But yeah, for the most part, once you get this part done, it's just screwing it up there, man. And then here go the progress with the Wickerbill. Now it's just a matter of just putting it on, screwing it on. And we're gonna come over here. I'm gonna show y'all this rhombus. I'm gonna go ahead on and throw the red on mine too. I think it looks good. Might switch it to white later, but for now we're just gonna see what the red is looking like.
I don't know what kind of paint they use, but it don't last.
The kind of they use.
Yeah, it don't last at all. It's underneath the plexiglass.
Alright, so disclaimer if you get you a Wickerbill. Visibility with the backup camera may be limited. Even more limited than it already is.
Yes, sir.
That's it.
And it's straight. Perfect.
Oh yeah. There y'all go,
Definitely
man.
make it look more aggressive.
It does, yeah, it does. It definitely makes it a little more aggressive. Gotta give it that. So make sure if y'all want one of these, man, go on Zl1 Addons, promo code JRTProd, get your little change off. All right, y'all, this is that last little piece of the new piece of the puzzle right here. Got that rhombus on that thing. Well, y'all know what to do. Go follow my boy Keith, RTRich88 on IG, and he gonna set you straight. Yes, sir. Y'all already doing it anyway, so I mean, this man got appointments. He got appointments lined up, so go on in there and get your spot. Go on in there and get your spot. He's definitely gonna take care of you. So I'm gonna end this video out like this, man. Look, so we're gonna try to get some, I don't know, some rolling shots, some B-rolls, some type of footage. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can see the completed product. You feel me? Man, I got some more stuff coming too. I know a lot of y'all asking for the shark fin, like you see right here on Keith. I know y'all asking for that because like you need KP, he still got the original one on his too. I know y'all want to see that install, so I might do that. The only way I'm gonna do that, y'all gotta get this video to 100 likes, man. At least 100 likes. You get this video to 100 likes, I'll go and do the shark fin installation for the antenna. It's really aesthetic. It's really not even gonna change reception or anything with the radio. It's all aesthetic anyway. But I mean, if y'all wanna see it, get this video to 100 likes, man. If you're on IG, you know where to follow me at JRTProductions3, J_Rocks3 on Snapchat, Facebook, JRTProductions. But anyway, y'all enjoy this footage, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'll holler at y'all in the next one, all right? Peace.